Good to see some on a Saturday morning. We could have had more people. We had an overwhelming response on the registrations.
And we are curious, how many of you guys are taking plans to be here?
380 kilometers. 380.
380, where are you from?
Bellary.
Bellary. Does anyone know that? Oh, there are a few people. You, the queen of pop. Okay, you've given one answer, there are no prizes. I'd like to remind you. Okay. Let me just come back to you.
Might be Lady Gaga.
It is not Lady Gaga.
I was a moderate designer, I would say, at that point in time. I had a brilliant ideas, but I had no belief now. That time, whether they even about the doctors. And one of the things that stood out for them, shopping in mobile experience, was to stand for something which is globally consuming the highest amount of data on mobile phones.
Yeah, I was there when this meeting was completed. I was not the one to commit, but I was almost there, right?
Most exciting part for me as a designer was not about designing an e-commerce app.
The only thing that I created is voice of customer platform.
How do you implement the habit of documentation within within designers?
Documentation is wrapping around the idea of creating product on the paper, which is already like there in your mind, right?
And I want to extend my thanks to the DesignMyx' '23 for providing this opportunity to collaborate with them.
I think it's so like pixel is just a parameter. Okay, the right answer is pixel. The reason is this is not a type of layer in Figma.
This year,